Hi, boys and girls. I'm trying something new because I wanted to read you stories, but I only have a limited supply of books at home. And so I'm trying to do this where I download the Kindle book and then I can read it to you on my screencast, but let's see how it goes. Okay. Jessica's X-ray. My name is Jessica. I was climbing a tree when I fell and broke my arm. Up to that point, my day had been perfect. There she is. Oh, ouch. Where do you think they are? Did you say hospital? Probably right. My parents took me to Children's Hospital where Dr. Dave looked at my arm. He said, to help you get better as fast as possible, we need an x-ray to see what happened inside your arm. There they are. There's that big machine right there. The x-ray room looked scary, and I didn't want to go inside. Sarah, the x-ray worker, said, it's okay to be scared, Jessica, but x-rays don't hurt. You can't feel or see them, but they zoom through your body and take pictures of your bones. It's pretty cool, huh? There she is. I feel better when Sarah let my dad come in with me. We only need to x-ray your arm, she said. These lead aprons keep the x-rays away from other parts of your body. Whoa. There's the lead apron that they have on. And then that's what the bones will look like. Wow. This is an x-ray of a 6-year-old's hand. Can you count 26 bones? There are 27 bones in the hand and wrist of an adult, 19 in the hand and 8 in the wrist. There they are. Each one is a separate little bone. Pretty cool. Sarah gave me 3 x-ray pictures to take to Dr. Dave. He looked at them and said, your arm will get better soon. I'll put a cast on now to help the bones heal properly. I'll check the cast when it dries. Here are the 3 pictures. Did you know that the bones in your wrist grow in at different times as you grow up? Can you see where Jessica's arm is broken? Can you see where her bones are growing? Ouch. Looks like it's broken right about here, right? While we waited for my cast to dry, Sarah took us on a tour. We looked at a special x-ray called a CAT scan, which uses a computer to show things an ordinary x-ray can't see. The CAT scan showed that a boy who had fallen off his bike was okay because he was wearing his helmet. Whew! Your skull is made up of bones that fit together like a puzzle to protect your brain. Can you see the skull, the brain, the scalp? Right? So this would be your skull. Right? This really white stripe would be your skull closest to your brain, right? And this would be your scalp closest to your hair. And then inside all of this gray stuff is your brain. Kind of looks like a person, right? It has eyes, nose, mouth. But no, those are just the different parts of your brain. Sometimes babies swallow things that they shouldn't. We saw an x-ray on a computer of a 1-year-old boy who swallowed a penny. Uh-oh. Doctors need an x-ray to show where the coin is to make sure it doesn't get stuck anywhere until it shows up in his diaper. Yuck, I thought. There's the penny. Healthy lungs look black on an x-ray. Can you see the coin, the heart, the ribs, the collarbone? Right, there's the heart. And his collarbone will be up here by his collar, by his neck, right? These long lines are your ribs that protect your soft organs inside. Not everyone who comes to a hospital is sick. Pregnant moms have an ultrasound to make sure the baby is okay. Sarah said high-speed sound waves take a picture of the baby and can sometimes show if it is a boy or a girl before it's born. Oh, there's the baby. Mom said, Jessica, on your ultrasound, you are sucking your thumb. Can you see the baby, the head, the thumb, the spine? Head, and there's the thumb he's sucking, and the spine goes all the way down his body like that. Remember the CAT scan picture of the boy's head? Sarah asked. There is another way you can see your brain. It's called an MRI machine, and it uses big magnets instead of x-rays to take pictures. The magnet is so strong it can pull the buckle right off your belt. No wearing metal in those things. That's the MRI machine. This is an MRI of a head. There's the head. An MRI is used to show tissue that in an ordinary X-ray would be hidden way behind the bone. Can you see the brain, the eyeballs, the pupils, the nose, right? This is where we take X-rays of your mouth, said Sarah. We looked at an X-ray of a 2-year-old. We could see his baby teeth and the molars that had not yet come in through the gums. There it is. Like bones, teeth are made of calcium, and that's why we can see them on an X-ray. Can you see his ears, eye sockets? Can you see his baby teeth? Can you find where his molars are hiding? His eyes are up here. This is where his nose would be. His mouth. Okay. His molars are hiding way back down there in the bottom. When we finished our tour, my cast was dry. We found Dr. Dave taking care of a boy with a broken leg in the emergency room. There he is. When we finished, we said that already. While he was waiting for the boy's X-rays, Dr. Dave checked my cast. He said, "Looks good, good, Jessica. We'll see you in a couple of weeks for a checkup. You have been a very brave girl." I thought the boy with the broken leg was brave too. His parents weren't even at the hospital yet. He looked scared, so I let him be the first to sign my cast. Then his parents ran through the door just in time to see his first X-rays. There they are, worried about their boy. And there she is in leaving the emergency room. It had been an exciting day. I got to see inside a lot of people, and I had a brand new cast for my friends to sign. And here's questions and answers about X-rays. But that's a long one. Okay, I hope you enjoyed Jessica's X-ray story. X is for X-ray. Bye, guys.